How to fix Spotify domain error. The first thing we want to check is to make sure that our domain is properly set up. And the way we do this is we go to the bottom left corner here where it says settings, right next to the gear icon. Then I want to go to domains now here. And from here we can make sure our domain is working properly. Now, if it was working before and you recently started having issues with it, it might be due to some new apps you have installed from the Shopify store. This is a regular occurrence and can be easily fixed. We just go to the apps and sales channel right above domains here. Just click on that. And you make sure to uninstall any recent apps you have installed because they might be causing the issue. Also, another thing you can do is you can go to your browser settings and clear all the cache files for Shopify. That should usually do the trick. And that's how you fix Shopify domain error. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.